Hindi, ganyan din sa grade school. Pare-pare yung uniform. Kaya kailangan niya ng name tag eh. Okay. It's a phrase from a poem. I didn't write this. Annie DeFranco anyway. She says, excerpt lang to, I write sometimes like my life is at stake because we are only as loud as the voices we make, as the noises we make. If sometimes silence is violence for women and poor people. If more of the military is speaking, then we can relax. But your good hearts are nothing if we don't have the facts. We live in a breakable, takeable world, an ever-available, possible world, but we can join the military and we can protect the country and we can be the brave people and kind people that we are. We can make music. We can make do because genius, it's in a backbeat. It's backseat to nothing if you're dancing, especially to something stupid, a measurement like IQ. For every lie the Philippine military unlearns, we learn something new. I speak sometimes for this war that I fight because every tool is a weapon if you hold it right. Thank you, and I hope I see you again.